Hi, good day, ladies and gentlemen. Yes, we are back. We are back with our engine of the day saga or series at Qureshi Auto. Here we go. There we go. Number and all. Okay, today, guys, we are looking at the Toyota 1TR engine. It's a 2-liter engine, and yeah, it's known for reliability and long life. Yeah, so it's very reliable, easy maintenance, good fuel efficiency. And if we look into the engine, it's a 4-cylinder petrol engine with 16 valve double overhead cam. Tongue twisters again today. And then yeah, so it goes into your Hilux, your High Ace, and Innova engines. So guys, all you guys have to do is find us today. We have plenty of 1TR engines available at the moment. And yeah, just call us up or come find us at number 6163 Hay Street, Qureshi Auto.